So this is a screencast to show MYP4 students how to record what you've been working on your service projects on ManageBack. So this is obviously from a student's viewpoint, and I'm going to go over here and go to Services Action. And so this is an example of an activity that Ms. Stutz's group is doing. They're trying to find ways to improve our campus, and one group's creating an idea for a chandelier that would go in the lobby. And so basically, when you do this for the first time, you want to open the activity and you want to title it. You want to show that it's going for the whole year, and you need to make sure that the supervisor is your homeroom tutor. And in terms of your goals and descriptions, the easiest way to do this is you guys are all recording your work on this Google Doc. So basically what I did was I took the groups, what they wrote for their goal, and I just copied and pasted it in to ManageBack. So they want to make a crane chandelier with student goals in the chandelier. And the next thing you need to decide is what learning outcomes you're hoping to achieve. So these guys had to pitch this to the principal. So this is showing initiative, and obviously this takes collaboration. So I chose those two things. Once you've done that, you want to add reflections on how things are going. So one idea for this group is when they pitched their idea to the high school principal, they could write their reflection on how that pitch went. And so to do a reflection, you just open this up. And when they're talking about a pitch, so that's talking about student-initiated activities, they click that, and they talk about how well their talk went with the principal. So reflection would look like this, and it would obviously be longer than this. So as you can see, the activity's got this big clock. When your supervisor approves it, it'll have a big thumbs up, and when you're finally done with the project, you'll have this complete box. So that's just to get you started and make sure you're recording what you're doing and what you're learning along the way.